This is Carl.
This is Kelly.
And we're on the road with Merv.
On the road with Merv, adventures galore, exploring the world and so much more. Carl and Kelly, on this journey we go, all by your side, making anywhere home. On the road with Merv.
All right, Kelly, I think we're here.
Yeah, we made it.
It's through all that right. Foscue Creek Park. It's a nice entrance.
Yeah, very nice entrance.
Now this is another Army Corps of Engineer park.
Yeah. We're getting an escort to our site. Well, I don't know what ours is.
Gosh, she's going so fast. It's 10.
I think this is us right up here.
Oh, it's like, oh, we're on like a cul-de-sac. Okay, we just pulled into the site, and it's not super private, because as you can see, but check this out. This is the site. Look at that. Look where the picnic table is for eating. There's the fire pit, and this is the creek. I think it's Foscue Creek, and this connects to the Tom Bigby River. So I gotta do all hookups and get us going, because I literally just popped in. Okay, I'm not sure if this light is very bright. Well, it's bright enough for Hulk's eyes. He does not like this light. So we got the charcoal going. The flame's already out. That didn't take long. So the charcoal's going, and we're doing something a little bit differently tonight. Kelly, what are we doing tonight? What are we making?
Pizza.
Campfire pizza.
Campfire pizza. Yes.
Look at Kelly's hair from her chemo. I loved rubbing it. I rub it all the time. Don't I?
Yes, you do.
We're doing pizzas, campfire pizzas. So let me show you as I build mine. Now, normally I like to use naan bread, you know, N-A-A-N bread, but we've got some Greek style pitas, which are fine. And I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna take my pita, I'm gonna get some olive oil. And first thing I like to do is put a little olive oil on this bad boy. All right, I'm gonna just spread that olive oil around a bit. Then I'm gonna take sauce. Now I am very sparse with my sauce. That's how much sauce I put on, not a whole lot. Now we already grilled some of the veggies because we were concerned that going on the fire, they wouldn't necessarily get grilled. So we got some grilled onion and some grilled mushroom. Then I'm gonna do my cheese. I brought some tomato. I like tomato on mine. Red onion that I brought. Mine, Kelly's. Mine, Kelly's. On go the pizzas. Ready? Alright, let's cut that puppy. Hopefully the cheese will melt. It was an epic fail because the coals were too hot. So, underneath, if you look at the bottom side, it is just black. Mamma mia! So, it'll be fine. And I'm gonna actually just scrape my bottom and try and get some of that charcoal off. Okay, so Kelly and I both agree. It's actually really good. So I've folded mine over, like a gyro or something, and eating it like a taco or burrito, and eating it this way. Super good. Got a nice fire going. Chillaxing. After Pizzagate. 10:20, time for a nighttime shower to get the bug spray off. So it's just past 7 a.m. and it couldn't be more still outside. So here's a map of the park, and we are site 41, which is right here. This is the entrance where we came in last night. And there's a pavilion set up over here, and then there's a day use area which is all along here, and this bit closes at dusk. And you can see on the map, so this whole area here, this is sort of part of Foscue Creek, right? But it all goes into the Tombigbee River, which flows out. Now the Tombigbee, I don't know where it originates, but it runs straight through Mobile and out into Mobile Bay. It's my favorite time. This is when we're gonna do our little walkabout, see what we can see at this campground. So these are all on the river here, or I should say the creek. That's where the bathhouse is. We just come through some of the campground area, but really we're on the main road heading toward the dump. But now it's kind of neat because we get to walk through some prairie, and I see some goldenrod over there. Hulk, let's not roll down the hill. Come on, dump station if you need it. It turns out our site has full hookups.
Yeah, you can fish down
Yeah. Neat place to camp.
there.
Right here. This is actually a really nice spot here. What number is this? 13. And then there's another bathhouse here. Front of the park where we came in last night. There's a pavilion up there. And then this is the day use. Yeah, it says it closes at sundown.
Oh.
That's what I thought he said. And then I see there's some facilities, parking lot. Now, are there hiking trails through here too? This is so funny. It shows this trail, it says 1.1 miles, but it's like to do the whole thing, to do one of the loops, kind of difficult to see. Okay, so we're gonna do a little bit of this trail. It says it's, some of it goes through the prairie, so it's gonna be in the sun, so we're gonna skip that bit. It's a nice trail because it's nice and gravel and wide. Actually, you could take your bicycle on here easily too. There's like a big Coast Guard vessel there. Dog has been doing this all day. I don't know what his deal is. I don't know what this is all about. You got itchies on your back? Oh, this is still day use area that goes down there. It's like this just goes on and on and on. It's one way, so it must connect to something. We should have brought the bikes, but Kelly didn't want to.
Liar, liar, hands on fire.
There's no shelter, but it's got a little grill, a couple picnic tables, you're right on the water. That's pretty sweet.
Oh, there's no snakes in here.
Yeah, snake in the grass, probably.
No, you can come over here to fish.
River's like right there. Yeah, it's a long walk.
Yeah.
You need
Like,
bikes.
need your bike.
That's why I told you we should have brought bikes. No, Kelly's the one that wanted to bring bikes, and I didn't think this park would be very big. And we need a new bike rack. Gotta watch your footing through here. You scare the snakes away. I'll be behind you. Over there.
Yeah, you could fish there.
It's like lots of these little like bays, these little inlets. These day use areas are super nice.
Ooh, he must have slipped. Must be slippery right there.
Yeah, it's slippery. It's back. Corner's moving. Whoa!
Oh,
Oh, I hope he can get out. Now he drinks the dirty water.
yeah.
Some of the pretty goldenrod. Yeah. My plan was to do this Wow. Let's go. Let's see how far we get. Carrying of the firewood was a fiasco. I could only get one over my shoulder at a time. Every time I went to get the other one on, one of the straps would break or the thing would go crazy on me. Managed to lug it not even halfway. Like, how far did I go? Not even a quarter mile with it. And I had to take a rest because it was so heavy. And then my guardian angel came by, who's a volunteer here, on his golf cart. And he said he would take it to our site for us. So that's where it shall be. Another little loop, sort of an offshoot loop. It's not very big. Oh, you can see some turtles on the, or a turtle. Oh, he's just gone off that log. Okay, we're gonna tackle some more fishing, but, and I got 3 new lures. I got this guy. I got this guy. And I got a spoon. Spoon's a little bit bigger than I would have wanted to get. I wanted one a little bit smaller, but I bought it on Amazon and I couldn't really tell the size. But unfortunately, because of where I'm fishing, I have to use my little snagless frog. I don't think anything else is going to work here. So let me get my thing set up and we'll go from there. It is football season, so I'm taking a little break from fishing to watch a little bit of the Auburn-Georgia game, and then we'll get back to fishing. We're doing a after-dinner s'more. We're doing a pre-dinner s'more. It's called a savory s'more. Kelly found it on the internet, and it consists of some cheese, some I got some pepper jelly on the cracker, and that's my topper cracker. And we're gonna put this thing and cook it like a regular s'more. Hold on, let me hold the camera. So I'm gonna stab this. All right, let's see what damage we can do. I think we got something good. Oh, it's getting a little brown on the toasty on the edges. Ooh, it's starting to bubble up. Look at that. But wait, isn't it gonna be super hot when I put it in my mouth? Oh, this is a thing. That is some good looking cheese. Oh, did you hear that sizzle when the, oh, look at that, how it pops out just like a marshmallow.
How was it? Perfect.
Oh, that's good. That is super duper good. The jelly is melting. Do 2 more. I should mention this cheese is just the Baby Bell. I don't know, what kind of cheese is it, Kelly? Baby Bell. I don't know either. All right, I'll do one, then you can do yours. Look at this, is some next level s'more stuff. Fish on. Fish on. He's trying to pull. He's pointing that way. There he is. Whoa, some live action. Check that out. You see him jump? There he is.
There he is.
Now, this is the tricky bit. I think I gotta let him go away from there. He's gonna get stuck. Oh, he's off. See if we can breach the water with him. He's going to that same spot where I lost the last one. You're trying to make the...
Oh, I can't see him.
Oh.
Oh, he's sputtering around.
Now my line is stuck.
Is he still on it?
I'm not getting any pull. Oh no. Cut the tape, cut the tape. Okay, we are doing meal prep. Tonight we're doing hobo packs just on the fire, which is basically just a foil pack, right, of different food. And you can see Kelly's already made hers, and she's got chicken in hers. So for mine, I'm gonna get mine organized right now. So let me get some foil started, and then I'll show you what's up. I'm gonna add some Potatoes for mine. I'm gonna do some broccoli. I'm gonna do some cauliflower. I like me some cauliflower. Onions. Lots of onions. Mushrooms. Lots of mushrooms. A frozen veggie patty. Let's see if I can break that. Oh my God, no. I've got some garlic I'm gonna throw in there. Throw some stick butter in there. Some pepper. Some Frank's seasoning. That on top. Close up Kelly's. There we go. Those are sealed up. Sealed up. And boom, Bob's your uncle. So I put the hobo packs in the fire, just off to the side. Got that one there. Kelly's is there. And we'll let all that cook for about an hour. I'll rotate them every 15 minutes. The biggest thing is just to make sure the chicken's done. We wore Hulk out today. We went for a 3-mile walk this morning and it was really hot. And he's just been so docile until now, all afternoon. Final fish story of the weekend. So I'm putting my fishing equipment away. I ended up catching I got, let's say I got 4 fish on my line, all of them with my spoon. Unfortunately, I didn't land any of them, but maybe that's fortunate, not fortunate, because I wasn't prepared to really clean them. And the way the fishing is situated here, it's very hard to bring a fish up because I'm casting so far. I'm casting like 20 feet just to get to the water, and then it's another like 20 feet down. So it'd be very hard to bring the fish up. But I was just happy to have a little bit of fight. And we didn't really catch on film, I don't think, but they were hopping out of the water. So there was some good action. And I was having fun. That's the most important part. What Kelly's hobo pack ended up looking like.
Looks good.
Looks pretty yummy. And then we've got some extra sour cream and stuff. And then I'm gonna do the unboxing of mine. Oh, mine's like, you see mine started to tear. Did you do that? Or maybe you did that. It's 7 a.m. on Sunday and we are pulling out Foscue Creek Park. And we are the first ones out this morning. But we did most of our pack up last night. Kelly, time to rate the park.
5 or 10?
5. Just 5.
I don't know, I'd give it a 5. I mean, it was tons of firewood.
I liked it. I would give it a 4.5.
Uh-oh.
Because my only thing is I like more hiking trails. And, but the park was big enough to where... Park is big that you could ride your bikes and just even just walk through the park, which is nice. But you know, I like more like nature hikes and stuff. But it's still good. 4.5 is a good score.
Yeah.
And
very clean. We didn't go in the bathhouse.
So we are just gonna drive home now because the Chicago Bears play later that I gotta get ready for, and I need to go to the grocery store. So we got stuff to do today. So Kelly?
That's a wrap. No, what? Sorry. What are we doing?
On the road with Merv.
Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to stay up to date on the latest Merv content. Hey guys, so I did catch 4 fish, I think I mentioned, but I didn't land any of them. But anyway, I caught them all on my spoon, which is great. But if anybody has any suggestions for some other lures I should be using for river fishing, give me a shout out. Okay.